Hi there guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. Stick around till the end. This is a very simple and straightforward tutorial. Make sure that you're using Google Chrome and make sure that it is updated fully. On the top right corner, click on the three dots and then head to settings. There's two methods to doing this, so stick around till the end. The easiest method is actually click on more, as I said. So again, top right corner and settings. The first method contains of going to more tools right here and simply clear browsing data from here. Right here, you'll be able to clear the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks. Keep in mind that if you would like to keep the cookies, the cached images to make it easier to load up your Google Chrome and websites that you usually use frequently, keep that in mind. You can also choose to remove all passwords, all autofill, all site settings, and anything that's really related to you. After choosing and kinking your mind, choose the time range, which could be all time, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks. You can choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose last hour, and I'm going to click clear data. My data has been cleared successfully. And that's basically it. The second method is to go ahead to settings as I showed you and search for clear browsing data. You're going to find it right here and it's the same pop-up, you guys. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.